Welcome to this video on the son of Khurasan, Imam Ali ibn Musa Al-Ridha, peace be upon him, a journey of knowledge, kindness, and mercy. Imam Al-Ridha is the 8th star of Wilaya. His name is Ali ibn Musa, and his titles include Al-Ridha, meaning one who is pleasing to Allah. He was born on the 11th of Dhul Qa'dah in 148 AH in Medina, and his parents were Imam Musa al-Kadhim and Lady Najma. The imama of Imam Al-Ridha lasted 20 years, and he lived for 55 years. One of his titles is Damin Ahu, the guarantor of the gazelle. This refers to an incident where he guaranteed a mother deer's return to a hunter, promising to stand in her place until she returned to feed her fawns. Amazed by the imam's kindness, the hunter set the deer free. Imagine how much love and care he has for his followers if he was this merciful to an animal. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him and his family, promised paradise to those who visit Imam Al-Ridha. قال رسول الله ستدفن بضعة مني بأرض خراسان لا يزورها مؤمن إلا أوجب الله له الجنة وحرم جسده على النار. The Prophet said, "One of my descendants will be buried in the land of Khurasan. God will take any believing Muslim who visits him to heaven. Allahumma salli ala Ali ibn Musa al-Ridha, alladhi irtabaytahu wa radita bihi man shi'ta min khalqik." Another title of the Imam is Anis an-Nufus, the companion of souls. When we feel sad or worried, we can remember our comforting friend. We can perform a special salawat for him. You don't have to be in Mashhad to visit him. Simply place your right hand on your chest, face the direction of his shrine, and say, "Assalamu alayka ya Ali ibn Musa al-Ridha." The Imam exemplified the manners of a true guide through his worship in the dark and humility in the light. He often stayed awake all night in worship, reciting the entire Quran in 3 days, and performed 1,000 rak'ah of prayer daily. Despite his high status, he always smiled beautifully and invited everyone to share a meal at the same table. Imam Al-Ridha is known as Alimu Ali Muhammad, the knowledgeable one of Muhammad's family. Caliph Ma'mun set up debates with great scholars hoping to embarrass the Imam. However, the Imam amazed everyone by quoting their own holy books from memory. His wisdom and logic could not be matched, and travelers took stories of his knowledge worldwide. Among his famous works is Uyun Akhbar Al-Ridha, a 10th century compilation containing his narrations and transcripts of his stunning debates. Another work is Risala ad-Dhahabiyya fi at-Tib, the Golden Medical Dissertation, a treatise on medicine and anatomy that Ma'mun was so impressed by that he ordered it to be written in gold. The Imam was forced to leave Medina for Marv in Khurasan to become Ma'mun's crown prince, a plot to control his popularity. Imam Al-Ridha accepted to prevent bloodshed, but declared he would have no involvement in government affairs. This forced journey became a silver lining, allowing him to teach true Islam to thousands of people who crowded towns and villages just to see him. In Nishabur, the Imam narrated the Silsilat ad-Dahab, the golden chain, a hadith that states, "La ilaha illallahu hisni, faman dakhala hisni amina min adhabi." There is no God except Allah is my fortress, so whoever enters my fortress will be safe from my wrath. As he rode away, he added the crucial condition, "Bishurutiha wa ana min shurutiha," but with certain conditions, and I am one of those conditions. True monotheism requires obedience to Allah's chosen representatives, wilaya. Ma'mun insisted the Imam lead the Eid prayer. The Imam agreed, but only if he could do it exactly as Prophet Muhammad did. He walked out barefoot, wearing a plain white outfit, and everyone repeated, "Allahu Akbar," with him. The crowd was so moved by his humility that Ma'mun, terrified of his power over hearts, asked him to turn back. Lady Fatima Masuma, peace be upon her, undertook a difficult journey from Medina to visit her brother, Imam Al-Ridha, in Khurasan. Her immense love and loyalty are demonstrated by this dedication. Imam Al-Ridha said, "Whoever visits Masuma in Kum, It is as if he has visited me. Her shrine is a major center of pilgrimage and learning. Imam Al-Ridha gave us wonderful news about our 12th Imam, Imam al-Mahdi. May Allah hasten his reappearance. He said, يُطَهِّرُ اللَّهُ بِهِ الْأَرْض مِنْ كُلِّ جَوْرٍ وَيُقَدِّسُهَا مِنْ كُلِّ ظُلْمٍ فَإِذَا خَرَجَ أَشْرَقَتِ الْأَرْض بِنُورِهِ وَوَضَعَ مِيزَانَ الْعَدْلِ بَيْنَ النَّاسِ فَلَا يَظْلِمُ أَحَدٌ أَحَدًا. God will purify the earth of all injustice through him. When he rises, the earth will shine with his light, and he will establish the scale of justice among the people, so no one will oppress another. We conclude this video with the special salawat, which asks Allah to send abundant, complete, pure, continuous, consecutive, and successive blessings upon Ali ibn Musa Al-Ridha, the pleasing one, the pure, and God-conscious Imam. Allahumma salli ala Ali ibn Musa Al-Ridha al-Murtaba al-Imam al-Taqi al-Naqi wa hujjatika ala man fawqa al-ard wa man tahta al-thara الصديق الشهيد صلاة كثيرة تامة زاكية متواصلة متواترة مترادفة كأفضل ما صليت على أحد من أوليائك.